Welcome. In this video, we will learn about supervised classification technique. So basically, we will see theory regarding supervised classification technique. If you want, you can skip this video if you are not interested in the theory. Anyhow, few of the students want theory. That's why I have made this video. Classification identifies group membership. That means that if you have multiple events characterized by input parameters which can be labeled differently and you want your system to predict which label should be used, this is the classical classification problem. The process of classification is one such technique where we classify data into a given number of classes. During classification, we arrange data into a fixed number of categories so that it can be used most effectively and efficiently. If you didn't get what I mentioned here through these words, then now you will get it when I give example. For example, your email spam box stores the spam data using machine learning algorithm. The spam data separated and stored in spam mailbox. First, classification identifies the new data set a data point belongs. Second, we build the classification model based on training data set containing data points and the corresponding labels. For example, let's take this image. Let's say that we want to check whether the given image contains a person's face or not. We would build a training data set containing classes corresponding to these two classes, face and no face. We then train the model based on training samples we have. This trained model is then used for inference. A good classification makes data can be easily retrieved. This used in a very large amount in a spam detection and recommendation engines and so on. We need to provide the large amount of data. If insufficient data can be provided, then the algorithm is overfit to the training data. Using sufficiently data and classifying the data on it, it's good to consider this factor when you build various machine learning models. So that's it. On supervised classification technique, it's just a theory. If you didn't get it, then no need to worry. There is nothing to worry here if you don't get it. It's just a basic definition. It's pretty much simple. It's just a classification based on the problem we are going to solve. So further in this course, you will understand it. What I mentioned is just a standard definition. You can remember it in your own way. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video.